In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Shopify. This process will help you automate some of your everyday tasks, freeing up time for other important business activities. We'll start by navigating to Zapier's website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner where you'll see the option to log in. Click on that and you'll be prompted to log in using your Google account credentials, which is often the easiest and fastest method. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of Zapier. This is your control center for all things automation. To begin crafting your automation, or as Zapier calls it, your Zap, click on the Create button. After that, you'll want to locate the option for Zaps and select it. This will guide you into the Zap creation process where the magic happens. As you start creating your Zap, your first focus will be on setting up a trigger. This is the event that starts your automation. Begin by typing Shopify in the search bar and then select it once it appears in the options. Choosing Shopify as a trigger means that an action in Shopify will set off your automation. Next, you will choose the specific event you want to trigger the Zap, like new order. This means that whenever a new order comes in on Shopify, it will initiate your automation. The next step is to sign into your Shopify account through Zapier to establish the connection. Don't worry if this seems repetitive. Testing ensures everything is connected correctly. Now you'll need to decide on an action, which is what happens once the trigger event occurs. Here, we're going with Google Sheets as a simple, practical example. Select Google Sheets and pick an event you want to happen in response to the trigger. For instance, creating a new spreadsheet row. Again, you will need to sign in to your Google account to connect it with Zapier. This step is crucial in allowing data to transfer smoothly between the two platforms. Once everything is linked, it's time to test the Zap. Testing may sound tedious, but it's vital to confirm that your setup works perfectly without any hitches. After you're satisfied with the results of your test, the last thing you'll do is hit Publish. This enables the Zap and sets it to run automatically. And there you have it, you've successfully created an automation that connects Shopify with Google Sheets, giving you real-time updates in your spreadsheet whenever new orders come in. By following this straightforward process, you've just saved yourself time and effort, letting Zapier handle the repetitive tasks for you. Thanks for joining me today and happy automating.